Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam Files, and the title of the video is Lady Crashes with 4 Kids in Her Car, Has Meltdown. That's crazy. I ain't gonna lie. 4 kids, that's excessive. Like, yeah. So let's get into it, man. Let's see what they talking about.
On June 17, 2023, police responded to a vehicle crash involving a drunk mother with 4 kids in the car. Here's what happened next.
She was drinking?
They're trying to leave, so watch out.
Okay, all right, thank you. How we doing, sir? Okay, good. Okay, just hang out for me, okay?
Yeah, I know.
Okay. Just give me just a minute, okay? All right.
Stop.
Okay.
I just want to go home. I don't care what they have going on.
Okay, listen. Just bear with me. It'll just be a few minutes, okay? All right? I just needed you to just have a seat for now, okay?
That's fine.
Okay, what's your
That's
first
my
name?
little brother's.
All right?
You guys fucked up.
Okay, just have a seat, Angelica. All right, thank you. All right, so who was driving? You were? Okay, let's hang out with them.
The girl was driving.
Oh, the girl was driving?
Yes, she was the one behind the wheel.
Okay. Okay.
That's when I called because she's under the influence.
No, thank you for calling. I really appreciate it.
It appears that she was very intoxicated.
Yeah.
Okay.
And she made a comment about she had traumatized the children.
Okay.
Because Bridget got out to walk back there and she's like, I didn't even hit you,
Okay.
when obviously she did.
Okay.
And that's when we walked over and I was just kind of standing by because she was very confrontational.
Where's the impact on the vehicle?
Right.
Right here?
She backed up like a foot and then was trying to leave.
So,
And also, if we very confrontational.
okay. Very clear paint transfer.
See over there with the bumper that kind of popped out.
Yep. Okay. But yeah, that paint transfer is all that I need right there. Do you have her information?
I got her.
I was not driving at all.
I'm still waiting for her license.
Okay.
Do
Do you have your driver's license, ma'am?
Yeah. There's my nephew and my cousins. Like,
Where were they?
they're with me. I'm supposed to bring back my brother
So
and
nobody
my
was
nephew.
Nobody was in the car?
No. We've been here since like 2 o'clock.
Okay. Let me just see that.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Okay. There's 3 children?
There's 4.
There's 4 kids. Okay.
There's Eli, Delilah, Priscilla, and Catalea.
Okay. Dad is coming to pick them up. Is he already on his way? Outstanding.
Yeah, that's the dad right there.
This is the father? Okay.
No, it doesn't matter. No, it doesn't matter.
Stop.
It doesn't fucking matter.
Hey!
No.
Hey! You need
guys
to calm
are
down.
really
Ma'am,
to say that
Angelica, you need to calm down.
You guys.
You need to calm down.
You guys.
All I'm trying to do is get them.
You guys, because you're trying to say that I'm trying to push into somebody. That's my family. They didn't do nothing. They didn't fucking do nothing. They didn't do anything.
Give me Eli.
Can you let my son go with their...
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Right there, puppy.
Are you father?
Yeah.
Yes, that's their dad. You guys are trying to... No, you're not. No, you're not. No, you're not. If you guys literally cared, if you guys cared, you would have cared about my daughter. No, they don't
Stop yelling
care.
at the cops. She's
They
gonna
don't-
make it worse.
No, it's
Doesn't matter.
not. They fucking literally try to make shit
Oh,
worse.
yeah, shh. Yeah.
If you can't just.
Yeah, I'm leaving.
We called mom. It's fine. Relax.
Here.
We already called her.
Okay, so where was Priscilla sitting?
No,
Like in the middle.
No, I was in the middle. Marcella was right there.
I'm safe.
No, no, I don't give a fuck about you, dog. You and your fucking right. I'm not even touching you. Don't touch
Calm
me,
down.
because I'm not
Please calm
touching
down.
you.
Please
I
calm
am
down.
not touching you.
Calm down.
I'm not touching
Calm
you.
down.
I am not touching you or
Okay.
your fucking crack ass.
Then you need to
I'm
calm
not
down.
touching none of you.
You need
so
to calm
y'all
down.
have no fucking right. Touch
Angelica,
me.
you need to
touch
calm down.
me, and I swear to God, touch
Angelica.
me. I have not
Angelica.
touched you. Y'all, both of y'all niggas.
How can you get this bombed around children, bro? This bombed is crazy, bro. To the point where you're yelling, causing a scene, belligerent. Like, it's just like you are wasted drunk. Like, I get it. Like, you know what I'm saying? whatever, you at the beach or whatever with the kids, or you on vacation, whatever, you trying to have a couple drinks or whatever, you with everybody having a good time, cool, you know. Shit, our parents get you know, they get a little bombed at cookouts and stuff like that. There's no problem. But this drunk, and then you try to drive after, like, that's crazy. Like, you putting everybody's life at risk. I ain't gonna lie. That is absolutely not acceptable, bro. Not acceptable. Like, why couldn't the dad been come and like pick up the kids and give them a ride back if they were that wasted? Because if this accident would have never happened, they would have been driving still. You know what I'm saying? Like, which is crazy. Nobody should be driving this wasted, bro.
You literally take my kids away for no fucking reason.
You need to calm down.
No, I don't give a fuck.
Your children went with their father.
No, and I could have gone home and he would have known I would have been fine with them. But fuck both of you,
okay,
for real.
Just take it easy.
No, just don't fucking touch me.
Hey, this is probably going to be use of force if you want to be on your way out here. It's a signal 1 crash, but the individual who was driving is being very, very belligerent right now, and she's saying that she's going to beat our ass when we put our hands on her. And there's no car seats back there, right?
No car seats?
No car seats. Okay.
They don't need any car seats.
What's that?
I said I don't think they use car seats.
Okay. Yeah, they need car seats at their age. So, yeah, like for Florida law, they do. And she's your cousin? Oh, your sister, I'm sorry. Can you just hold your sister's stuff for now? Thank you.
They was literally having a good fucking time, bro. Fuck you. Fuck you. You guys are fucking big. And I can't stand you. I can't fucking stand you and your fucking cooker ass shit. I can't. And I can't believe y'all shit. I work for fucking restaurants and I bust mine. I don't give a fuck. What are you gonna do? 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 Cause you're talking about, oh, you're gonna do what? What are you gonna do? Bust my shit? Bust my shit? Go ahead. Go ahead.
Turn around.
Go ahead. Alright, that's fine. I'm not fighting.
Okay.
I'm not fighting.
Okay.
I'm not fighting.
Okay.
I'm
Let me
not
see your arm.
fighting.
Let me see your arm,
Go ahead.
Angelica.
Go
Everything's
ahead.
fine.
Go ahead. I'm not
Secure that
fighting.
arm. Okay.
I'm not fighting.
Okay, you're fine.
You're still a bitch. You're still a bitch. Nah, it's good. Let them take me. Let them take
For the
me.
time being.
Yep.
Let them take me. They're still
Yeah,
bitches.
we're on our investigation, so.
Yeah, you're good. You're good. You still can't fight. You're still bitch.
Just over here.
Yeah, go ahead. Nah, I ain't going nowhere. I'm not.
You know, I was actually curious and I was looking it up as far as, you know, ages for car seats and stuff, because I'm not a parent, so I don't know. But from what I see here is car seats is really for 1 to 4 or 1 to 3 or something like that. 1 to 4. And then like a booster seat is for like 8 and up. Or no, a car seat is like they need it until like they, you know, a little older, but then they can use a booster seat at like age 8. So, you know, you guys that are parents or whatever, let me know if you a parent. Let me know, you know, because you can't trust everything on Google, you know what I mean? But I was curious because the cop said something about car seats, and the guy said, well, they don't need car seats. But I did see some small kids in there. So I'm like, damn, don't they get a car seat or a booster seat or something? You know, so let me know if you're a parent and you know the answer to what are the ages that kids, you know, need car seats. Maybe you know, hey, look, I'm 30, so, you know, I got to get working on my kids. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, I might need that advice, you know what I mean? Maybe in a few years, you know? So let me know in the comment section.
I'm going nowhere. No, I'm not. I'm not going nowhere.
We're going this way.
I'm not going nowhere.
We're going this way. Come on. Angelica. Angelica. Stop. Stop.
You need to stop.
You need to stop. Come on. Let's go. Angelica. You need to stop.
For what? For what? For what?
Step in.
For what?
Step in.
For what?
Angelica,
For
step
what?
in.
I just want to go home.
Step into
I
the
just
car.
wanna go
Step
home.
into the
Can
car.
I just go home?
You cannot. Step into the
Why?
car.
I just
Step
wanna
into
go
the car.
home.
You caused this, not us.
Angelica, step into the car.
Step into the car.
I just want to go home.
Angelica, step into the car.
I just want to go home.
Step into the car.
I just want to go home.
Step in. Here, do you want to go around to the other side and pull her in?
I just want to go home.
Angelica,
I just want to
Angelica,
go home.
that's not happening. Just
Why?
step in.
Honestly, the last thing these two male officers want to do is go hands-on with a woman in their bathing suit, man. This is like, please just go in the car, because it's like, this could get ugly real quick, man.
Just step into the car.
I just want to go home.
Step into the car.
I just want to go home.
That's not happening.
Why?
Step into the car.
Why? I didn't even do nothing to you guys. Yvonne, did you record this shit?
This is all on. Okay, there you go. You just got another charge. Congratulations. Well, she's got a Bat Leo charge now. Hello. Yeah, 7's on the way. She said the 1017's got a Bat Leo charge now. I'll explain this later. This is a big mess. I gotta go.
I've been so
Angelica. Angelica. I need you to stop.
I don't deserve this shit. My anxiety is great.
I need you to take deep breaths.
Like I would just want to go home.
Angelica.
Oh, I can't stand this shit.
Angelica. Angelica. Pulling over momentarily at Gulfstream and Ringling just to check the well-being of my 1015. Angelica. 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 You rescue? Angelica.
She got a pulse.
Yeah, she has a pulse. She's just not conscious. Angelica. Come on. Wake up. Angelica. Okay, sit up. Sit up. Sit up. Come on.
I don't give a fuck about none of you. I want to go home. I don't give a fuck about none of you. Like, you guys already made your point with the father and my kids. Like, fuck all of you. I work 2 jobs. I don't need my mom or my dad.
Yeah.
Like,
She got into a car accident and she kicked him several times.
what?
Yeah, we weren't even to the second half of the investigation.
It's a good kick, man.
Yeah.
She got him
You got all the toes on there.
I know.
You got kicked in the nuts.
I know.
Oh, damn.
So,
Why are her feet so
you good?
dusty?
She came
was
from
at
the
the
beach.
It's not fair.
Angelica.
It's not fucking fair. I literally do everything.
Angelica. Angelica. Angelica.
The cartel catches all of you and your fucking families. Don't touch me.
Okay,
You don't need
then
to
just
touch
walk
me.
this way. Then
Okay,
just walk
so
this
you
way.
can just tell me.
Okay, I'll tell you.
Still
Just walk this way.
pushing me.
That's fine.
All right.
Okay.
Don't touch me.
Okay.
Can I have a shirt on?
After we get inside, they will get you clothes, okay?
I need a shirt.
Okay.
Angelica was charged with resisting an officer with violence, DUI property damage, and DUI 0.15 or higher with person under 18 in the vehicle.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.